Hello all ka-simply blessed people! How are you all? I hope all of you are happy. I am your Ate Ann again and welcome back to my channel, Simply Annalisa RN. Did you enjoy our tour in China and Italy of my previous vlogs in Boulevard World? This time we will visit Morocco and Greece. Before we will start, I want to thank you all for your love and support to my channel. And if you are new here, thank you for your like, subscribe, and comment that you leave. Welcome! And let's start.
Ito yung Morocco o Saudi? New Year na sa Pinas. Ano ba yung tawag mo? Face painting. Yun. Ayun. Yes, welcome 2023. Kaya nga. Saan ba yung ano? Yeah, cable car.
Here we can ride then to whatever city but there's
No, we will just ride and come back.
we cannot do like that.
Cannot,
52 here.
cannot come back?
I don't know.
Aroy.
So this is the Greece.
Kaya nga. Ano naman dito? Ano naman dito?
Saan na sila, te?
Wow, yun ang kitigil. Hala!
Saan na sila?
Hala. Totoo ba? Hala. Saan na?
Saan na sila?
Madaya sila. O, hindi na kayo naglalakad. Wow. Hala, saan na kaya yun? So the Greece country finished. Then we are heading again to other countries. But I don't know what.
Time to shout out my 1,713 YouTube subscribers and soon to be subscribers. Also to my 118 followers on FB page. Thank you so much! Shout out to Anju, our best nurse of first quarter, to Jo of Rapid Response Team, Marife, the perfect carer of Ate Franz, Ate Francia, pagaling po ikaw, God heals you soonest, and Marife's friend. We are now really growing in numbers. Thank you so much! If you are new here, please do like, subscribe, leave a comment, and don't skip the ads. Thank you! Before we end, thank you all for watching. A little short time, but I am sure you want to see more. Please hold on. Part 5 will be coming soon. See you! God bless and I love you all!